tua mai a Tailango, pa ia o le tātou akipi, le whonga o le tātou kiwhia. Ia, pe foi le saunoanga le whionga i a loto, o le autu iei a le nepa moi mai whalitua i a Claire. Tai moina foi o tātou mawhauwhaunga i le kiwhi, ta mawha le nganga. Ia, moni au, i le o tātou, ia, a le alofamareanga le rei o le tu tali mai i o tātou manaonga. The previous speakers have spoken in Samoan. I think I'll expedite matters and speak in English. We don't want to take too long on the formalities. So may I acknowledge the dignitaries of this evening, the Ministers of Cabinet, members of the Diplomatic Corps, members of Parliament, our Reverend Father and distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Yeah, talofa lava, and a very good evening to all of you. I think there's a certain air of excitement and expectancy about this evening, and so it should. It gives me great pleasure to deliver these remarks tonight to witness the start of a new chapter in the history of the Sivafi and Faafiafiaga and their extraordinary journey. The impacts of COVID-19 have been substantial, particularly on our key sectors of tourism, fisheries and agriculture. The effects on smaller tourism operators are felt more acutely when made worse by the impacts of natural disasters. There is no doubt to our vulnerability, but it does not mean that we should stop trying. The socio-economic well-being of our people remains at the core of our government's development initiatives. And to achieve this, we need to ensure that our budget is inclusive, innovative, and resilient. This has allowed government to support the private sector, in particular the tourism and business communities, in their efforts and preparing to become great hosts that we are known for once we open our borders. We are very pleased with the responses that we have seen since the opening of our borders. The numbers of visitors to Samoa continues to grow as friends, families, and tourists alike return home or visit Samoa to bear witness to milestone events like the 60th Independence Anniversary celebrations, the revival of the Teuila Festival, along with the Miss Samoa and Miss Pacific Islands pageants, and to welcome renewed and transformed favorites like Sivafi. Sivafi has traversed the length and breadth of the business domain to arrive to where they are tonight. I wish to warmly congratulate Claire and Teuila for their endurance and patience and tenacity. It has not been a walk in the park for you both, but despite the many challenges you faced, you remained resolute in your decisions to host the Sivafi International Fire Knife Competition, which is now in its 21st year of operations. The International Sivafi Competition is a major event that supports our Teuila Festival and other international events. It showcases the talents and flares of young and old alike, as well as the fit and not so fit. It also nurtures and cultivates participants and helps them achieve their best in pursuit of a common goal. Fire knife dancing is rooted in our culture and tradition. It is part of our Samoan identity and sets us aside from other Pacific cultures. It has promoted Samoa throughout the world and has blessed the many families of talented youths who are given opportunities to work and perform abroad. With your record of achievements, I have no doubt that the Leota's sound investments in this venture between government, and the Sivafi will bear positive results for our tourism sector. I wish you both, Delta and Claire, as well as Sivafi, and all your supporters, all the best. I am therefore very pleased to declare the Sivafi Faafiafiaga Entertainment Center officially open. Soifua, Mayamanua.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, you're welcome to South Rock.
Isetenge sana